Hey friends, come along with us as we process our meat chickens, and at the very end of the video, we'll show you our total costs. Good morning. So we are at our barn getting ready to butcher some of our chickens. We are not by any means professional at butchering chickens. We're still learning, but we've got 9 chickens, 2 different breeds. The one breed isn't quite ready yet, so we're just butchering the Cornish cross chickens this morning. But yeah, we're gonna take you along on a productive day at our farm.
Would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could.
Got the kids working, throwing down bales of hay.
When you're gone. Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call.
Alright, so in the past we have always hand-plucked our birds, but today is our first time using our new Yardbird chicken plucker, so we're excited to give it a try. Okay, there we have what we put them in to boil them a little bit to loosen their feathers. Then we have our Yardbird plucker. Put it on a tarp this time, see if it's a little bit better clean up.
There's hands inside of there.
Yep, that's what it looks like on the inside.
It's like fingers.
Yep. And we got our table here that we will dismember them kind of on. Okay, here we have the kill cone all set up, and all we have to do is just slide the chicken down inside. Alright, so you put the bird in the water for about 15 seconds. That helps loosen up all the feathers. Alright, there's our chickens, and we're going to go cut them up. Alright, so we are taking care of the chickens here, cleaning them out. Gonna have a lot of food from these 5 chickens, and we still got more to butcher in a couple weeks. Okay, we're outside just chopping up these birds. Kind of fun having something that you've grown from a baby to the point where you get to eat it. Got the master butcher right here.
Far from master.
We're learning. It's a learning process.
You get me with a deer or something like that, I got you. This chicken thing, I don't know.
Don't know until you start just trying to do it though. Okay, here's one of our chickens that we processed. The skin got a little damaged in the defeathering machine, but we're gonna go ahead and leave this one whole. And then I am vacuum sealing the ones that we've cut apart.
You want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over our numbers. Obviously we did not have a huge amount of meat birds. We did 10 chicks at the end of August, and unfortunately one passed away. So we ended up with 9 meat birds total. We butchered them just a few weeks ago. So they were about 10 weeks old when we butchered them. So let's go over the numbers now so you can see how much it actually cost us to raise these chickens. So we bought 10 chicks. I paid $3.99 per chick. So we'll just round that up to about $40 for easy math. Then I fed them like a chick food, and it was not an organic food, but it was a good quality food. So it was about $12 a bag. I only ended up buying 3 bags of feed, and our birds looked plenty fat. They looked healthy. So I bought 3 bags, so that was about $36. So then when I added that up, that was about $76 in an investment. We already had a little chicken coop for them. We already had the vacuum sealer and the bag, so I'm not including this in this cost. Obviously, there was a lot of time involved with raising these chicks and cleaning up after them and stuff. But we ended up with about 31 pounds of chicken meat. We cut some of them up into thighs, wings, breasts, and then we did leave some of them whole. So if we take 76, we divide that by our 31 pounds, that is $2.45 per pound is what we're averaging. So I looked online, and the average price for chicken meat, just your run-of-the-mill, you don't know what they're being fed, what they're injected with, it is about $3 to $3.79 per pound. So I feel like, is it a ton of saving? No. But we know where our chickens came from, we know what we fed them, we know how they were processed. It was a good learning process for our kids too. I feel like that is something important for them to know, where their food comes from, what all is involved with making food. So again, we are averaging $2.45 per pound by doing our own meat chickens, and meat chickens are a pretty quick turnaround. Usually you can butcher them, depending upon the breed, anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks. They don't require a lot. They just kind of eat grass, bugs, and feed and water, and we know that they've been living, you know, in happy, healthy conditions, which to me means a lot. So I hope you found this video interesting. If you're considering doing your own meat birds, do all the research you can. We watched tons of videos on it. I've read books, I've read blog posts about them. This is our 3rd time doing chickens, so we're not professionals. We still have a lot to learn, but I feel like each time that we butcher our own, we're learning more, we're getting more efficient at it, and I just love the fact that we're raising our own food. We're not injecting them with hormones and antibiotics and things that, you know, could potentially harm us in the long run. So again, if you like this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to our channel, because we're gonna have lots of content on, you know, growing our own food, hand making our own things, and also some of our travel adventures, because that's what life is about, you know, living life to the fullest, enjoying the time that you have here. So again, I hope you like this, and thanks for watching.